How to fix Autotune effect missing on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to use the Autotune filter for your TikTok videos but you can't find it, if you see videos on TikTok with users singing or talking with the Autotune, here's how you can find and use the effect for your own videos. First of all, go ahead and open your TikTok application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now once you do that, go ahead and search for Autotune effect. You won't find it directly because TikTok does not offer it as a standard effect. You will see the videos using it. So the trick is go to the search bar in the top, then type in Autotune voice filter or voice effect. Now you will see the videos that is using the voice effect, Autotune voice effect filter, and you can use it from there. Another thing you can do is tap on the plus icon from the bottom, select a video and then tap on next. Now scroll in the right hand side of the screen and tap on voice. Go ahead and search for the Autotune effect and apply it to your video or your voice. And that's it. This is how you can go ahead and find the Autotune filter or the voice effect on TikTok. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.